Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today we're going to be going through the FabFitFun box for spring 2024. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a quarterly seasonal box. You get one spring, summer, winter, and fall. So this one obviously is going to be the spring box. The annual cost, you have two options. You can get it season to season, or you can get it pay for the whole year all at one time. If you want to get it just one season at a time, and you can cancel that at any time, it is $59.99 per box. Then if you want to go ahead and just pay for the whole year at one time, it's going to be $54.99 a box. So the advantages of getting the annual besides the savings is you can choose your customization for each of the 6 categories. For the seasonal, you only can customize 4, but you still do get to customize 4. The FabFitFun boxes are going to have everything from health and beauty, housewares, jewelry, sometimes makeup. It's a versatile box. It's got a lot of different categories. I actually do the annual, so I got to customize all 6 categories. I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to show you, I'll put up a picture of each item and the retail value of each item. The value of the box really is just based on how you customize your box. In addition to your picks from each category, once you make your selection, you can add items from that customization. They range from, I think they start at 10 and then 12 and then 15 and maybe even $20. I'm not sure if it gets more than $20, but you're still getting a really good discount on the items. So you can add, I did add a couple extra items from the different categories, and I'll show you what the add-ons were in addition to just the regular items. So you guys, the spring box was a big old box. I had been, this is such a big box, it's really hard to even get it all in the screen here. So let's check out and see what's inside our spring box for FabFitFun 2024. For customization 1, I chose the Living Proof Triple Bond Complex. This is a hair strengthener. It says it strengthens and fortifies your hair. So I have this one and I've already been using it. You just use a little bit, and you can see it's not a very big bottle, but I've been using my bottle for a while and I still have some in it. So you get, for my hair, I would probably do like a dime size. And I actually also use the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styling cream. And so I'll put both of them in my hand really at the same time and kind of smush them around and put them through my hair together. So it's gonna spread them both around evenly. I'll have to put up the retail for you on that. I don't have that in front of me, but really great. Living Proof is excellent hair products. I've always liked what I've gotten from them. So that was a no-brainer for me to pick that one. For customization 2, I chose a backpack. This is Beyond Yoga convertible gym bag in birch is the color I got. And I'm reading my information off of the screen over here just to keep myself reminded. But this is, and it's a lot bigger actually than I thought it was going to be. This is a really good size backpack. It's bucket style. So you have a zipper on the bottom and you have a drawstring at the top. And then you have the backpack straps on the back. And looks like it has water bottle pouches on the sides. This one is a great one for when you have to be out and don't want to have your hands tied up with, just carrying something. I'm actually going to a Comic-Con in the summer, and this is going to be how I carry my stuff around instead of carrying it over my shoulder in a purse. So I'm looking forward to having that. It'll make things a lot easier. The customization 3, the thing that I picked was Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Actually, my sister is the Glow Recipe guru in the family, so she has this product and has really liked it, so I went ahead and chose it for myself. It has a little pump top. The advantages of this wonderful serum are hydration and glow. So I'm looking forward to that. So that's that one. I did, in addition to the Glow Recipe, I chose an add-on, which was an Anastasia brow set. So it has the pomade and the brush. So this is a little Anastasia, and this was a $13 add-on. If I have the information of what this retailed at, I will put it up. But this is something I bought in addition to the subscription. So this is a little pot of brow pomade, and it's only that much that's in the top. The bottom of it's completely clear glass. But honestly, you hardly use any. I hardly use any. Maybe I need to do more to my eyebrows. But it has the little angled brush and the little spoolie at the other end, so it's a perfect little brow brush. I actually had one more add-on in the Customization 3. I added the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. So these are the facial radiance pads with glycolic and lactic acid, safe for sensitive skin. And so these are just little face cleansing pads. So it's sealed up, and I'm gonna leave it sealed so it doesn't dry out. I'm gonna probably start using it pretty soon, but this is just a face cleansing pad. I like this kind of thing, so I added this. This was, again, because that category, the add-ons were $13, this was a $13 add-on. So that was my Customization 3 section. My Customization 4, my item I picked is African Botanics Muscle Pain Relief Recovery Gel. You know, it's nice to have a good muscle cream around, and I wanted to try this one as opposed to some of the other ones. I use BioFreeze and different ones, so I'm excited to see how this works to get those aches and pains to go away. So I'm just noticing the printing's a little cockeyed on the label. It's a little off center and a little crooked. But if the stuff inside works, that's fine. So this was my pick. I did also have 2 add-ons in the Customization 4. And the Customization 4 add-ons are $10 each. So I got the Malin & Goetz Strawberry Roll-On Perfume. This just sounded fun. I wanted to try it. So it's just a little roll-on perfume. And I'm trying to get some of it out. There it goes. Oh, it's nice. I wouldn't say it smells at all like strawberry, but it's a nice perfume, fragrance. I'll have to look and see what the notes of it are, and I'll post it here, but that is just a nice perfume. I really was kind of looking forward to smelling like strawberry. So that was one of my add-ons for $10. The other thing I added on to this category for, and it was again $10, was the Earth Harbor. And this is the Earth Harbor Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream. So this is the Earth Harbor Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream. I did add this on for an additional $10. I'm still in search of the best eye cream to fix the wrinkles and the puffies and the dark circles. So ever searching, ever trying. Every time I see one that looks promising, I'm gonna grab it. So this is the my second add-on for Customization 4. So I had 2. For Customization 5, I didn't have any add-ons, but I just got this Cloud Air Light Volumizing Mousse. It just sounded interesting. It's a pump mousse versus an aerosol. And this is something I have never tried before. It says it's just sugarcane extract for natural volume, texture, and shine. And it's just a interesting take on mousse. And I actually needed some mousse, so I thought that was a fun pick. So this is my pick for Customization 5. For Customization 6, I did add one more add-on. So this is the last category. There are 6 categories. The thing I picked were these really cute earrings. There's 3 pairs of gold tone hoops. It has the stud backs, little gold earrings. So those should be really cute in different sizes depending on how dramatic you want to be for that day. None of these are terribly dramatic. The biggest one is a little less than an inch, so not very big. So that was my pick. My add-on was the set of shampoo and conditioner, Super Thick, the new company, and I got the shampoo and conditioner set. They are both 8.45 ounces, so about 8.5 ounces per. And this combo was $12 for my add-on. Again, just trying to add some volume to my hair and see how this works. I'll have to let you guys know if this does the trick or not. So that was my FabFitFun box for spring. In addition to the items you get in your box, they're always going to send little advertisements. I'm going to scratch and reveal and see if I win anything. Let me see what I can scratch. I have a thing. Okay, let me scratch. Oh, okay. It's got a QR code underneath that I have to scan to see if I'm a winner. Usually it's like a grid and you kind of mix and match and see what you got. And then it has a HelloFresh coupon, and that's the extra stuff you get in the box. So for this box, I will put up my best information of what the total value of the box was. Let me know what you thought of your FabFitFun Spring box for 2024. I thought this was a good one. I liked stuff in every category, so I felt like it was a win. I hope you guys did too. Thank you so much for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. If you haven't yet, please hit subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notifications bell, and please share my channel with your friends and family who you think might also enjoy the content. I always appreciate the help to grow the channel, so you guys are my best resource for that. If you like it, share it. So have a great, wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you next time on Beth Unboxes. Bye-bye.